Thanks for watching My Two Good Hands. We are sewed. We are sewed all the way around. All you have to do now is turn this inside out and start putting it on the cushion. We're going to work on that next. Here's your nice seam in the back, right there. You'll never see it. And then just kind of turn this all inside out like this so that we can start putting it on our fabric, and we're gonna, or on our cushion, and we're going to do that next. So welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, like and subscribe, post notifications on, use Amazon links below to shop. Even if you don't buy what's there and you go in and you're buying something else on Amazon, it does help support this channel, and we greatly appreciate all the support we get from all of our watchers. So here we are, we're back on this boat project. We got this fabric deal, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay this out. We're going to show you how we're going to insert this cushion into it. So putting the cushions in. So what we do is we kind of push this out best we can, and we kind of bring the cushion in up on it. And it's kind of not the easiest thing to do, but just kind of start working it around. And the easiest thing to do is kind of tip this up, see where this seam is. Make your seams that are in the front right where you want them to be. And start working it like that. You can pull it in the back to make the front seam right where you want it. And once you get the front seam where you think you want it, easiest way to do it is just tack a couple spots with a staple gun. Didn't put a staple in, that's weird. Something's loose in our staple gun. There we go. That'll probably be better. You want to make sure you don't have wrinkles here. And then come in and get yourself a staple. And you keep working your way along. Put a little bit of tension in it. Don't put too many, because you may end up taking these out. When you come over here, you can kind of bring this up, see where you're at. And here's where we got our seam. We got our seam to put up there. Again, kind of want to pull on this a little. You put your hand underneath the feel for wrinkles. Put your hand underneath, feel for wrinkles again. Now at this point, you can turn it up and look at it, see what you got. And figure out where you've got to pull a little more. You got to pull a little more here. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And I get a little bit of wrinkle there. You bring it around this way, you can, pull it a little. is where I said be careful how many you put in, because you end up pulling some of them out like that and redoing them to make it the right set. Same thing on the corners here. You can kind of work your corner. You can kind of look into your corner here, see what you've got, be able to work that up. And remember, this is going to bunch, but if you pull this nice, you shouldn't get much bunch. You'll get a little shrink later too. So you get too much, may need to pull one out. Again, that's why we left extra. We can pull them out. We can redo them. I'm going to pull this one out, I guess. Get that extra wrinkle out of there. Oh, get the idea how that's going to look. You continue to work this until you get the look you're looking for. There you go. Not a bad cushion at all. Sits good. My butt don't hit the bottom. Great. We'll bring you back. We're going to go ahead and do the staples on both the cushions. Then we're going to show you how we're going to prepare this back to make it look nice. Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Use Amazon links below to shop. Even if you don't buy what's there and you go in and you're buying something else on Amazon, it does help support this channel, and we greatly appreciate all the support we get from all of our watchers.